Students, I hope you all are doing well. So the today's task is repeat sentence. So what is the repeat sentence? In PT the repeat sentence is a speaker goes to read a sentence which you have to listen and respond it in a same way. Not in a same way, not in his or her accent. You have to respond 100% content. Okay, so 100% content will give you 3 marks and 70% content will give you 2 marks, but below 50% you will get only 1 marks, and if there is no response, no word or no content response, there will be a 0 marks. So what is the important factor in repeat sentence? In repeat sentence we have to be very fluent in oral fluency, pronunciation, and the content, which is already discussed. Now already discussed the content and oral fluency, as you know about, we had already covered in our read aloud. So same criteria has to follow in this same task in the repeat sentence. Okay, and pronunciation will be going to be same, but the content matters a lot in repeat sentence. And the oral fluency is the important factor in your whole speaking. Why? Because oral fluency is going to give you a marks in whole speaking. Like whenever you read aloud, you have to be fluent. Whenever you listen or record your response in a repeat sentence, you have to be fluent. Whenever you describe the image, you have to be more fluent. And whenever you record your response for written lecture, you have to be fluent. So the oral fluency is the main thing in all the PTE speaking part. So try to be more fluent in your speaking part. Now moving ahead to the uh, repeat sentence scoring criteria is already discussed with you. The content, if you speak 100% content, then you will get 3 marks. 50 to 70% content will give you 2 marks. Below 50, then you will get 1 marks, and if the response is 0, then you will be going to get a 0, and omission, insertion, and replacement of the word will count as an error in the repeat sentence. Don't try to add the fillers, don't try to add any kind of words like ismr. If someone is saying that the book is around the table, then you have to speak the book is around the table. If you are going to speak it the book is on the table, then it will be going to wrong. So in the pronunciation is same as read aloud. Now moving ahead to the screen of the repeat sentence, the bar which is showing in front of you the status beginning in 3, this this bar will give you a recorder's answer, like speaker is going to give you a sentence in this bar, and you have only 20 to 40 minutes to listen, but 20 to 40, 20 to 40 seconds to listen, and you have 3 seconds to prepare the sentence, as it is showing beginning in 3 seconds. So it is your preparation time. And in another bar you have a recorder answer. There you have to record your answer. The important factor is that if you are going to record your answer in between 3 seconds, then it will be recorded, but if you stop for 3 seconds, then it will be going to be stop your answer, or mic will be off. So it is important to record your answer in between 3 seconds, means a response between 3 seconds, but not in a 3 second. You have to record in between 3 seconds, not that kind of word. You have to repeat whole sentence as per your comfortness, but you have to respond in between 3 seconds. Okay, so moving to the next part, and repeat sentence, what kind of strategies are going to be very important for us. From our side, we only recommend our students to get in touch with some kind of podcast, okay, like TED Talk, watch movies, or listen as much as possible in which you are interested. Why I am saying that? Because interest matters a lot to learn the things. Okay, interest matters a lot to learn the things. Like if I like to read the novel on environment, but if I pick the novel on psychology, then it will be going to be hectic for me to read this novel. Why? Because it is not my interest. The novel is not by my interest, so here I will face some kind of problem, like reading the word sentences, or some kind of problem like knowledge, understanding. Okay, so choose the topic with your interest. If you are going to choose the topic with your interest, then it will be going to be beneficial for you. So try to find your interest. Where is your interest? To listen, read, write. Okay, very easy step to learn any kind of language by this method. Okay, now moving to the next strategy. It's all about chunking method. Okay, chunking method. So many teachers give you a very difficult explanation in this chunking method, but I'll give you a very deep and thorough knowledge or understanding about chunking method. Like whenever the sentence is going to start, it has some kind of end and some kind of connectivity. Okay, like the sentence is written in front of our screen is, in this library the reserve collection of books can be borrowed for up to 3 hours. Okay, so what kind of chunks are available in this library? Means that this library is one sentence, the reserve collection of books is another, can be borrowed for up to 3 hours. It's another sentence. So we have to uh, divide the sentence in 2 or 3 or 4 parts to memorize this sentence. Okay, you have to build your memorization power first, which will come by listening, no, listening, listening musics, listening podcast or TED talk. Okay, but in this strategy, the chunking method works like dividing the sentence into 2 to 3 parts, but by the by its meaning. Like in this library means that in this library the reserve collection of books, another sentence, can be borrowed, which will be going to borrow for up to 3 hours. Okay, books can be borrowed for up to 3 hours. Now you have to memorize this sentence in 3 parts, then record it. Okay, but don't try to uh, divide it in a 3 part and read it in a 3 part and combine it in a 3 part, because sometimes students face oral fluency errors. Okay, so we have to be fluent while connecting these sentences in particular one sentence. Okay, an original form. Like in this library the reserve collection of books can be borrowed for up to 3 hours. Okay, so the fluency was okay. But if we try to read this or speak this sentence, in this library the reserve collection of books can be borrowed for up to 3 hours, then you are going to make a mistake in oral fluency. So the connectivity is importantly required in this chunking method. Okay, memorizing sentence is another strategy. If you have a capability to memorize whole sentence in your mind by some tricks, by your own tricks, then it will be going to good, because taking these strategies in your daily life will take a lot of time. Okay, but your own habits will help you to uh, fix the issues in a very short time.